that? Huh? What is that? This is the best money I ever spent. What's going on with that? Huh? Everybody's enjoying that. Everybody, as you can see. Seamus, what is that? Huh? What is that little butterfly in the jar? This is really a great toy. Everybody should get this for their cats. What is it, Sandy? Huh? Seamus, what is it? Molly? Huh? The butterfly? You're really cute. Let me zoom up real quick for a second. I hope it doesn't get blurry. There's the butterfly. Sandy, stop. Sandy still smacks Suki. I don't like that. Sandy, you gotta share. You have to share. Sandy, stop that. Bad Sandy. Anyway, this is really a cute toy. Bye-bye.